friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have a really special recipe for you. It's inspired by Squid Games, which is a really cool series on Netflix. I know you're gonna love it. It's the Dalgona Candy, of course. So ये recipe काफ़ी simple है. सिर्फ इसमें एक very important point है. We have to work very fast. और ingredients बस सिर्फ दो, sugar and baking soda. Let's get started. So I have a really nice small pan here because I'm only going to be working with 4 tablespoon sugars, just enough to make 4 candies. Okay? So I'm going to start by putting my sugar. Something so important to know is that it's going to take a little bit of time to kind of melt. We don't want it to burn, और हमें शक्कर काला नहीं चाहिए. We just want it skin color, like just a toasted color. And here I have is a lollipop or a popsicle stick. So I have to stir this quickly. पर ये मेल्ट होने के लिए थोड़ा सा समय लगेगा, तो तब तक मैं मेरे I've got measuring pans, इसको मैं ग्रीस करके रेडी रख रही हूँ. So the quantity of sugar बहुत कम है, इसीलिए हमें फ्लेम बहुत ऊंची नहीं चाहिए. Keep it about low to medium. And I'm going to work with a slightly bigger measuring bottom. Ready? So यहाँ आप देखेंगे तो already sugar liquid होना शुरू हो गया है. So quickly I need to just kind of mix it. So all my quantity of sugar starts getting clumpy, which means melt होने के लिए बस 1 to 2 minutes इसे लगेगा. There we are. अच्छा, ये जो दालगोना कैंडी है ये बहुत फेमस है कोरिया में, और ये जैसे हम भेलपुरी सेवपुरी खाते हर रोड पे हर कॉर्नर ऑफ मुंबई में, वैसे ही कोरिया में ये दालगोना कैंडी बहुत मशहूर है. इट्स अ स्ट्रीट कैंडी एंड अ स्ट्रीट फूड. और जो लोग ये कैंडी रोड पे बनाते काफ़ी ऑफन दे हैव अ कॉम्पिटिशन, हु मेक्स इट फास्टर, हुज कैंडी डजंट ब्रेक. That's it. So it's really kind of cool and it's fun. तो यहाँ देखो, the sugar जो है वो already melted होना शुरू हो गया है. So this is very important. अभी इस वक्त मुझे एकदम fast mix करना है पूरा मेरी quantity जो sugar है completely, so that evenly ये mix हो जाए. Yeah, here we are. देखिए, nice. But फिर भी थोड़े से clumps है. We don't need any clumps. We can't have any clumps at all. And be careful because hand is above this hot pan. You don't want to get burnt. और थोड़ा सा कभी आपको ये pan को हल्का सा उठाकर mix करना पड़े sugar को, it's no problem at all. We want the sugar to be perfectly mixed before we add the baking soda. So the sugar is perfectly caramelized. Now I'm going to turn the heat off and take my sugar off the heat and add the baking soda. So this is a really important step in our Dalgona candy. Let's do it well. Yeah, here we are. We need to work very quickly because the baking soda and the candy are going to mix together. As you can see, देखिए, the color is changing, and that is so important because that's the color of the dalgona. So this is the time that I have to pour it into 4 equal portions. Try and make sure that it's a bit round. Now that was not a lot of work, but it was very focused and very, very important work. So we have to work so fast, and finally I have gotten ready my Dalgona candy. Now is the fun part. We need to pop the shape because we want to live to eat it, right? So I'm going to wait for this to cool down. Once it cooled down, maybe say 5 minutes, 6 minutes, we're going to try and pop the shape. It's almost cool. There. That's cool. Let's look at this one. Yup. Yes, it's cool. So shall we try and pop the shape? God, I'm scared. So let's try. Nahi. So doesn't matter. 3 out of 4 is a really good average. But this is for me. The rest is for show, right? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Dalgona candy inspired by Squid Games and in the Korean street food Masti. And I really hope that you were a lot more successful than I was, because one of my candies was a real bloop. But can I tell you, you're gonna love the caramelly toasted taste of this delicious sugar candy. Please take a picture after you try this recipe. Do send me your feedback because I definitely want to hear from you. Please, I look forward to your like and comments to this recipe. Head to my YouTube channel. Do follow my Insta page and Facebook. And make sure you hit the bell notification. So I'm gonna send lots of new recipes your way. See you soon. Yup, I know this is a great time. I'm gonna turn it on. I turned off the heat. अभी ये ले लो ना, इज ब्यूटिफुल. ले लो ना, ये ब्लूपर होने दो ना.